Eric with the Blue Jays, Gallipool Angels, Pistola Rays, Wellburn with the Cubs, Grossman Pirates, Ryan I Astros Mariners combo, Hoff with the Phillies, JW Stack Brewers, Jonathan with the Braves, Matt P with the Marlins, T Cole Reds, J Murphy White Sox, JN Falcon with the Tigers, Alex with the Yankees, Austin with the D-back Cardinals, Kyle 99 Padres, M Doc bonus spot game in Washington, Matthew also with the Mets, Jake Holmes with the Twins, Juice got the Red Sox, D Fresh with the Royals, M Doc with the Rangers, and MTO Hawk got the Cleveland Indians. Good luck. Everything ships. You get all your paper base and your chromes. Good luck, Eric. Hope you get the first Austin Barton this week. I was trying to hit that one for Jesse last break, but couldn't do it, man. That boy hard to hit. All right, this is the last break tonight, folks, but we do have more breaks tomorrow. Brand new Chronicles football releases tomorrow. So that's going to be a new product that we're going to be ripping. We got PYTs and randoms. Saturday, we got the mixer with Chronicles Hybrid and Hobby, random team style. And, of course, we'll have more Bowman throughout the week, too, throughout the weekend. Jumbo and Hobby. There's a Hobby case on Saturday. I think I'm going to put up a Bowman mixer for Sunday, too. Like, it's going to have multi-years of Bowman and Bowman draft. Maybe Bowman Chrome in there, too. So, Sunday's schedule isn't finished yet, but Sunday's schedule should be, the rest of it should be up later tonight when I get home. Super, not yet. Not yet. No supers. I think we pulled, like, 3 reds. No auto, though. Still not an auto red, but just red. I think 1 red Chrome, 2 red papers. No super. Supers are tough. I think Supers going to be super tough this year. All right, box 1. Rookie of the year, Alabama. Out the gate for the Pirates. Jay Hahn, Pittsburgh. Jay Hahn. Grossman with the Pirates. Green paper. Garrett Mitchell, $3.99 Milwaukee. Green paper base. Futurist Riley Green, Spencer Torkelson. Talent Pipeline, Tampa. Atomic Xavier Edwards base card for the Rays. Ronald Acuna insert. Acuna Matata. Alright, that's going to close up the first half. 1 auto in the first half. Futures Garrett Mitchell, Casey Mize. Green paper parallel for the Mets. Jacob DeGrom, 399, 7/399. Teal refractor, Junior Severino to 125. How do you feel about your pick, Max? Did you want Mac? One of our shippers, we have a bunch of 49er fans that work at Mojo too, in the shipping department. One of them wanted Mac instead of Trey. Evan White, Johan Rojas, Phillies. Johan Rojas, first Bowman. Johan Rojas, Philadelphia. Hoff and Shaw. Jazz Chisholm. One of printing plate. Jackson Rutledge for Washington. So not the super yet, but another printing plate 101. Marco Luciano. And Stevie Emanuel's Oakland. First Bowman for the Athletics. 6.5. Oakland the break Shaw. 219. Stevie Emanuel's. Talent Pipeline. All right. That was box 1. Number 2. All right, Talent Pipeline, box 2, Cardinals. Box number 2. Michael Taglia. Atomic Base, Edward Cabrera, Miami. Atomic Base card. Mike Trout Bowman insert. Auto for the Mariners, Emerson Hancock. Base auto, Seattle. Mariners going to be Ryan I. First auto of box 2. Teal Shimmer. Actually, that's not a Teal Shimmer. That's a Green Canary. Eddie Diaz, 70 of 99 for the Rockies. Green Canary base. Talent Pipeline. And Yankees, New York, Antonio Gomez refractor to 499 first Bowman. Alex with the Yankees, Antonio Gomez. Fuchsia paper base, 299 Brandon Marsh, Angels. Bobby Witt. Atomic Parallel, Royce Lewis for the Twins. Base. Future is Reed Detmers, Angels. Future is Nick Gonzalez. Talent Pipeline for the Astros. Purple paper, 250 JD Martinez for Boston. White Speckle Max Meyer to 299 base card for the Marlins. RT6, yep, this is the last break of the night. If you need to see the random draw results, you can always rewind on the YouTube video. You can rewind up to 2 hours when we're live, and then once you see what you need, once you rewatch what you need to, you can just fast forward and go back to being live. Royals with the purple refractor of Austin Cox, 26 out of 250, Kansas City. Royals, Austin Cox, Deep Fresh 760. Purple refractor. All right. Wait a minute. Was that an orange or just insert? That was just insert. Okay. Box 2 done. Box number 3 coming up. All right, box 3. Good luck. Okay, Brian Hayes. Auto out the gate, Mac Wainwright for Cincinnati Reds. Mac Wainwright. First Bowman base auto. Cincinnati. That is going to be T. Cole with the Reds. Green paper base parallel. First Bowman, Dinso Reyes. Oh, what the heck? They didn't stamp this one. They forgot to stamp this one. Should have been numbered to 399 though for Detroit. No stamp. Dinso Reyes. Casey Mize. Atomic base, Blake Walston. Diamondbacks. Teal Shimmer, Tristan Casas to 125 for Boston. Teal Shimmer. Futurist, Marco Luciano. Talent pipeline for the Mets. Purple paper, 250 Whit Merrifield, Kansas City. Purple paper base parallel. Nick Madrigal and Reds with the Austin Hendrick. Sick. First time I've seen an Austin Hendrick auto. 61 to 499 refractor. Grant Cincinnati. T. Cole. Back to back for the Reds. Austin Hendrick. Now we need the Austin Martin. Or Austin Moss. Alright, first half of box 3. Talent pipeline for the Astros. Jason Dominguez atomic insert 93 to 150 for the Yankees. Number to 150, Dominguez. Reed Detmers. Atomic base of Josh Jung, Texas. Josh Jung for the Rangers. Ooh, Yellow Canary. Probably not the auto though. Nope. Alright, your last auto for box 3. Yankees with another Antonio Gomez. Base version this time. Yankees, Alex L. Antonio Gomez. Yellow Canary refractor base card for the Yankees. Anthony Volpe, 30 of 75. Yellow Canary refractor. Luis Garcia, Cardinals with the talent pipeline. All right, last box of the break coming up. Let's go. Last box. What's up, Randy? When did he tell you when you were until you complained? You're welcome, Michael. I gotta hit you some. Randy. I was telling Max earlier. I was like, I'm surprised Randy hasn't bought into a break yet. Not a team, not a random. Oh man. All right, let's go. Talent pipeline. Nick Lodolo to 125. Nah, I feel you. It's interesting to me. Like, obviously, like everybody's has their own. Everybody's different, and they have their own. Everybody has their own budget, obviously. But it's like, it's definitely. I've been saying it's definitely. It's the most expensive year of Bowman ever, for sure. Um, Part of that is Topps finally getting a piece of the pie, bigger piece of the pie themselves, because they raised everything up pretty much double. That they double the price to sell to us, but when you think about it, it's like a 4 box jumbo random of Bowman is like $89, right, or whatever, and then when you look at it, when you compare it to like football, say like select 3 boxes of select is $170 now a spot, and then Prism basketball is still $200 a spot for 3 boxes. So relatively speaking, Bowman is still pretty good. But yeah, I get it. Everybody has a different budget, of course. Luis Robert. Blue refractor. Alexander Ramirez for the Angels. 148 to 150. Angels. Galapools with the Angels. Piguero to 199. Fuchsia Shimmer for the Pirates. Talent pipeline for the Pirates. Blue paper of Josh Jung to 499, Texas. Another Jihan for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Refractor this time, 499, Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh Grossman. Forrest Whitley to 150. Yeah, I know. I'm just comparing like the products, like the hot products across all 3 sports. The big difference in price. Ishmael Menya for hot products. Like, imagine if this 4 box random was actually like $199 a spot, $200 a spot. How many people would buy into it? Futurist Asa Lacy, Zach Veen. Alec Baum. Talent pipeline for the Red Sox. Joey Gallo, $4.99 blue paper. Purple refractor. Robert Acel to $250. Purple refractor chrome base. All right, last box or last stack. Let's go. Come on, baby. Last auto of the break. Cincinnati. Damn, Reds killed it. Tico Mario Bautista. Mario Bautista, first Bowman. Reds. And Austin eludes us again. Damn it, boy. Hard to hit. All right, everybody. That was it. Another 4-box break. A brand new 2021 Bowman Baseball Jumbo. Random Team Style 6 done on Thursday, April 29th, 2021. All card ship, you guys will get all your chrome and paper base cards from all 4 boxes. All rookies or all prospects numbered cards will be top loaded. Congrats to everybody who got a nice parallel or auto. Let's recap the autos for you folks. I just had the card on there because it was Oakland, not because it was a big hit or anything, but all right. That first one was that I just pulled off was Stevie Emanuel's for Oakland. Jihuan one base for the Pirates. Jihuan. Johan Rojas for the Phillies base. Not an auto, but a 1-on-1 printing plate of Jackson Relish for the Washington Nationals. 1-of-1. Yellow printing plate. Emerson Hancock for Seattle. Refractor to $4.99, Antonio Gomez, Yankees. Purple refractor, Austin Cox to $250 for Kansas City. A Mac Wainwright for Cincinnati. A Austin Hendrick refractor to $4.99 for Cincinnati. Antonio Gomez base auto, Yankees, first Bowman. Blue refractor, Alexander Ramirez to $150 Angels. J1 to $4.99 for the Pirates refractor. And the Mario Bautista, Cincinnati Reds. All right, that was it for tonight. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out and joining all the breaks tonight. Appreciate you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Doug's still on vacation, actually. Dan's probably going to be doing the breaks for you guys tomorrow morning and afternoon. I'll be in at 3 o'clock as usual for all the afternoon and night breaks.